Amazon Merch, one of the best, if not the best print-on-demand website in the world. I'm up to $2,000 this month so far. I know it's not a lot, but Merch alone makes me the same as my 8 shops on Redbubble. Even though I have more than 7,000 designs across my Redbubble shops and only 1,400 on Amazon, still the gap is huge. So getting accepted to sell in Amazon is the problem. You could apply to Harvard and get accepted over Amazon. But today I have a new way that will make you have like 60% chance of getting accepted. Yes, a very high chance. Didn't see anyone talk about this method yet, so make sure to watch the video till the end to understand the process. Once I heard about this method, I told a friend of mine to try it just for fun because he was already trying to get into Merch and this method worked with him. So without talking too much and to keep the video short, the way to get accepted is applying to Merch as an Amazon influencer. If you're not familiar with this, there is another program in Amazon called Amazon Influencer. You probably heard about it. Basically, you apply to this program first, then you use it to apply in Merch. Maybe they are connected somehow, who knows? Well, first, to get accepted on the influencer program, you will need the following base on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube or Facebook. I suggest you to go with Instagram Reels or TikToks because it's the fastest way to get followers. Or you can also consider buying a Facebook page or something like that. They are cheap, for less than $10 you could find something. And the best part is, my friend who applied with this method started at tier 1000, not the usual tier 10. As you can see in this screenshot, he have 0 designs and 0 sales, and Amazon immediately put him in tier 1000. But let me explain the method first, then I will tell you why he started already in tier 1000, cause everything is connected. Now first I will talk how this works in theory, then show you how to do it yourself. As I said, basically you apply to the influencer program first, then you use it to apply to Merch, and you will ask me how exactly this is different from the normal way to apply. Well, to explain this, imagine with me 2 lists, people who apply the normal way and people who apply that are in the Amazon influencer program. Obviously, without thinking, people who apply the normal way are a lot, and I mean a lot, compared to people who apply that are in the influencer program. And these 2 lists get accepted individually. They're not in the same boat when it comes to acceptance. Simply the robots who accept people in the normal way are not the same robots who accept people in the influencer program. And the biggest proof of this is the start in tier 1000, not tier 10 like the regular people who apply. From my understanding is that Amazon wants the influencers to get accepted in Amazon Merch more than a normal person. You will ask me, why is that? Well, it's kinda obvious, because they have already an audience. Amazon assumes that they wanna sell merch to their audience. They already got traffic. It's a win-win situation for Amazon. Unlike a regular guy who is applying to Merch the normal way, he's just gonna use Amazon's traffic. He will not bring new customers to Amazon. And my friend who applied this way is not the only one. I'm in some Facebook groups about print on demand and I've seen this a couple times. Some people even get started in tier 10,000. I don't know, maybe it depends on how big the following is or it's just pretty random, but it doesn't actually matter in which tier you start, because just an Amazon Merch account is a great asset to have. The first step is to apply to Amazon Influencer Program. You do that by simply searching Amazon Influencer Program and click the first link on Google, then click this sign up button, and here where you can link your social media platform: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Of course, as I said, you will need the following base, and it's not that hard to make one nowadays with TikTok or Instagram Reels. You can build an audience in a week. So after that, click any platform and sign up using the account, and the acceptance here is kinda instant. Then the next step is applying to Amazon Merch, but not the normal way. First, I want you to search for Amazon Influencer Merch, then here click on the first link. So this page will open. Basically, this landing page introducing what is Amazon Merch for the influencers that have no idea. Anyway, to apply to Merch now, click on this here, and you can sign up the usual way, of course using the same Amazon account as the one you have in the influencer program. But now Amazon knows that you got to this page through their landing page, and they know this because of a browser cookie. Of course, you're familiar with browser cookies, so they know you applied as an influencer, not just a usual person. I want you now to try this strategy because it's working and it makes so much sense if you think about it. And once you get accepted, and to get started, I do send you every week 10 print-on-demand niches that are low competition and selling. Just sign up to my free newsletter down in the description and I hope you get accepted. Amazon is a really game-changing for print-on-demand sellers in general.